Good morning, everybody. It is about 5:30 in the morning, and I'm off to Barkerville. For those of you that don't know, Barkerville is outside of Quesnel, BC, so I got a bit of a drive to get there. Barkerville was part of the gold rush back in the late 1850s and early 1860s. They came up through Fraser Canyon and they found gold in Barkerville. So we're gonna head in there today. Barkerville is a historical, old school town that has been kind of rebuilt and preserved for people to explore. So I hope to do a couple of videos around Barkerville and in Barkerville and show you guys what it's like. So come along for the journey. Alright guys, we just turned on the highway going now into Wells. We just turned off in Quesnel here and just grabbing some fuel. We got another, 70 some odd kilometers up into Wells and Barkerville. So a little bit more further to go. The sun came out. It's going to be an absolutely beautiful day. Alright guys, I'm here now in Wells. We've been into Barkerville already. And we're here at the Wells Inn Hotel where I'm going to be staying for the night. Very nice little hotel. And yes, it is pouring rain here now again. So we're done for the day in Barkerville. We're going to go in here, have something to eat, test some scotch. I guess they have a really good selection here, and kind of a nice little Main Street sort of thing here in Wells. Again, this is Wells, BC, and Barkerville is 10 minutes up the road. And so tomorrow I'll get some more video and pictures of Barkerville itself for those of you who have never been there, and hopefully people take a trip down there if anybody wants to see something fun. We did some gold panning today. Went and saw a theater show. They have an actual show every day in there, what they call the theater, or the Royal Theater or something, I forget the name exactly. And no, it was really cool. And yeah, so I'll keep you guys up to date on what we're up to out here. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 here in Wells, BC. 7:30 in the morning. Just got up, gonna have some breakfast, and then head back on into Barkerville. As you can see, it is a very, very lovely day today. Some old buildings here in Wells. And again, there's the Wells Hotel. But yeah, it's gonna be a very nice and sunny day. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a nice day there in Barkerville. Gonna do the schoolhouse, courtyard, the court tour, water wheel demonstration, and I think we're gonna do the stagecoach too. So I'll get a couple of videos inside Barkerville there for you guys to check it out. Well, today is the last day here in Barkerville. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. Pretty quiet here on Main Street. It's actually silent here on Main Street. But he's really around. This is schoolhouse right there. We went there yesterday. That was kind of fun. Courthouse. Blacksmith. Blacksmith should be in today. And yeah. It's very quiet. Just going to do a couple things we didn't get to do yesterday, and this will probably be the last video I have from this place. So yeah, if anybody ever wants to come here to Barkerville, just outside of Quesnel. Beautiful little place to go. Stagecoach. Oh, they got the other stagecoach ready. And here you got the forge. Like I said, usually there's somebody in here beating on steel. He's not in right now. Old school tools, kind of cool. And they got the horse and buggy rides ready to go. Didn't get a chance to do that one yet. Don't know if we will. They've got a couple teams of these horses here in Barkerville. They pull the stagecoach up the street, around the back. Quite a nice looking team that they got going on today. And yeah. So I'm standing here mid-Barkerville. Up that end you got Chinatown. Down that end you got regular Barkerville. You know, one of the general stores. Some of the things that you're going to see here in Barkerville. Barkerville Hotel. Some of these hotels you can actually stay in, which is kind of cool. Here's the theater. We went to that yesterday. It was really, really cool. If you ever get a chance, I highly suggest it. Stables. And yeah, so we're gonna head up in here into Chinatown now and go check that out. Standing outside one of the saloons that they have here. As you can see, Barkerville has boardwalks all the way up and down it. Not all the way up into Chinatown. Chinatown, it kind of ends right there in Chinatown. But for a good portion of it, there's boardwalks all the way down. You know, this is actually one of the hotels that I was talking about that you can actually stay right in here in Barkerville. Down there at the end, you see they're using that as the courthouse. Standing right in front of the Masonic Hall. Kind of neat. Across the way there, we got a place that you dress up in old-timey clothing and take pictures. We all did that today. That was kind of fun. You got a restaurant right in here behind the saloon. It's just a restaurant, not a hotel, but that's what they call it the House Hotel, but it's an actual restaurant. And pub, bar, I guess you want to call it, because you can actually drink here in Barkerville. Take a bit of a walk here out on the main street. The horse and buggy carriage is done for the day already. They had that running up and down. But yeah, that's looking up towards Chinatown. And again, back down Main Street towards the fence. You got a watchmaker. You got a general store where you can buy hats and trench coats, and actually my friend here Morgan, he's wearing one of their trench coats and one of their hats. It's a duster, there you go. So that's what you can buy just up the street there at, I believe that's Mason's. Mason and Daly, there we go. And yeah, that's kind of a bit of an overview of Barkerville. like I said, this is Barkerville. For anybody that is ever interested in history, I highly suggest to come here. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and see you on the next one.